Morning,
Morning,
Dan. I don't have your client yet. What might call it jail?
Yeah, we just did right now.
And do you need an interpreter? Oh, is that Charlie?
Yep.
Hey, Charlie. Okay. As soon as we get everybody here, then we'll get started. Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Judge, whenever after you call the case, then I will swear Charlie as the interpreter. And you're muted.
All right, will you let me know when the jail's here?
They're here. Everyone's here if you're ready.
Oh, hold on, I'm pulling up the petition and then I'll start. All right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Are you Mr. Mercado?
¿Usted es el señor Mercado?
Hey,
Yes.
Can you see your lawyer, Mr. Mercado?
Señor Mercado, mira, ¿puedes ver a tu abogado?
no le entendí.
¿Puedes ver a tu abogado?
Oh, sí, sí, lo estoy viendo.
Court will
Okay,
call
perfect.
case number 4912, the state of Texas versus Salvador Mercado Quezada. Is the state ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
And is the defense ready?
We're ready, Your Honor.
Right, Mr. Seeloff, this is your application for writ of habeas corpus seeking bail reduction. Is that correct?
It is, Your Honor.
Right, please proceed.
Your Honor, may I make a brief statement? I'm just going to ask my client 5 questions and then.
Yes.
okay? The reason we're bringing this action today
El motivo de por qué estamos haciendo esto ahora
Where,
is that,
Charlie?
is that our client has been in, oh, can I keep going?
Wait, Dan, stop for a minute. Did you need to swear him in, Shelley?
Charlie, please raise your right hand and be sworn as the interpreter for the court.
eh,
Do you swear the interpretation you're about to provide for the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and to the best of your ability?
yes.
Okay, and I'm going to tell you, Dan and Charlie, it's very muffled on your side for me. I don't know if Aaron is having any issues or the judge, but it's very, very muffled.
Is
And
this
I don't
better?
think your client is fully understanding you.
Yes, could you begin again, Mr. Seeloff? And it was better when you were closer.
Is this better now?
Yes,
Okay.
Can you hear me?
yes.
You really don't have to have this because he doesn't have to hear it. It's just a record. So, the reason we're bringing this action today, Judge, is that our client, Mr. Mercado Quezada, has been detained from October 2nd until today. The state brought their indictment on January 18th. That is 109 days from since he's been in custody to it's been over 100 days to even today that he's been in custody. So we're putting this under Article 17.151 under the Code of Criminal Procedure. Our client's been detained for over 90 days. This is not a non-discretionary matter, we believe, and that he should be released with a PR bond at the conclusion of this hearing. And I'll have 4 or 5 questions from my client.
Please proceed.
Sir, can you please state your name for the record?
Mr. Mercado, Mr.
Diga su-
Mercado, you need to raise your
Haz
right
su mano
hand and be
derecha. Haz su mano derecha, señor Mercado, para hacer un juramento.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Jura usted decir la verdad, toda la verdad, nada más que la verdad ante Dios?
Sí,
Yes. Baje la mano.
Sir, can you please state your name for the record?
Diga su nombre, por favor.
Salvador Mercado Quesada.
Salvador Mercado Quesada.
And how long have you been in custody?
¿Cuánto tiempo tienes encarcelado?
El 2 de octubre me encarcelaron.
From the 2nd of October.
Can you afford any bond?
¿Puedes pagar una fianza?
Si es chiquita, sí. Si no, no. No tengo mucho dinero.
If it's a small one, yes, I don't have any money.
And have you been presented a copy of the formal charge against you?
¿Te han presentado una copia de la acusación formal contra ti?
No.
No.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
All right, thank you. Ms. Anchondo, do you have any questions?
Mr. Quesada, what amount could you make?
Señor Casada, ¿qué es la cantidad que usted pudiera hacer de fianza?
No sé, unos $1,000.
About $1,000.
So you've got $1,000 to put towards a bond?
¿Tienes $1,000 para poner en una fianza?
Sí, creo que sí.
I think so.
Okay, so you can make a $10,000 bond?
So, ¿pudieras hacer una fianza de $10,000?
If it's 10%, normally the bondsman is going to charge you 10%. So you've got $1,000 to put toward whatever bond is set.
Normalmente el fiancero te cobra el 10%. So, si tu fianza es de $10,000, tú puedes poner $1,000.
Sí, creo que sí.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. And if you're released, you were working before you were incarcerated. Is that right?
Estabas trabajando antes de que te encarcelaran, ¿verdad?
Sí,
Yes.
And where were you working?
¿Dónde estabas trabajando?
en una engorda de Harley, la compañía se llama Circus Processing.
Silcrest Processing in Delhart, a pig yard.
Yes.
Okay. And how much were you making there?
¿Cuánto estabas ganando ahí?
No tenemos un sueldo fijo, nunca llegan los cheques diferentes, pero llegan como alrededor de 1,500 a 1,700 por quincena.
Normally it's about between 1,500 to 1,700 every 2 weeks, but it's never the same check because we never work the same hours.
Okay. And then at the time of your arrest, you were living at, was it a hotel? You were renting a room there?
Cuando te arrestaron, ¿estabas rentando un cuarto en un hotel?
Sí.
Yes.
A mí, no, me arrestaron en mi casa, pero
No,
yo venía de un hotel.
They arrested me at my house.
Well, you weren't allowed to be at the house after the protective order, correct?
No, tú no eras permitido estar en tu casa después de la orden de protección, ¿verdad?
Perdón, no entendí.
Cuando tenías la orden de protección, tú no podías estar en tu casa, ¿verdad?
No.
No.
Okay, so if released, where are you planning on living?
Si sales de la cárcel, ¿dónde piensas vivir?
Quiero rentar un departamento.
I want to rent an apartment.
Okay. All right, Mr. Casado, you're aware that you have an immigration hold on you?
Señor Casada, ¿tú entiendes que tienes una detención de migración?
Sí.
Yes.
And where is your country of origin? Where are you from?
¿Dónde eres tú?
Jalisco, México.
Jalisco, México.
Is this the first time you've had an immigration detainer on you?
¿Esta es la primera vez que te han puesto una detención de migración?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever been deported from this country before?
¿Nunca has sido deportado de este país antes?
No.
No.
You also understand that there's conditions of your bond that one of them is that you're supposed to wear a GPS.
¿Entiendes que una de las condiciones de tu fianza si sales de la cárcel es que tienes que usar un monitor, una pulsera?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And so after you get a job, you expect that you'll be able to pay for that monitor?
Después de que agarras un trabajo otra vez, ¿vas a poder pagar por la pulsera?
Sí.
Yes.
I mean, no es mucho dinero.
If it's not too much money.
And you expect that you're going to get your job back at the feed yard, is that right?
¿Crees que vas a agarrar tu trabajo para atrás otra vez?
Creo que sí, porque ya tengo muchos años ahí.
I think so, because I've been there a lot of years.
Okay, Judge, I'll pass the witness.
Mr. Seeloff, do you have any additional questions?
None for this witness, Your Honor, no.
All right, do you have any additional witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Anchondo, do you have any witnesses?
I don't, but I have two exhibits, Judge, that I will email to the court right now. One of that is a copy, and to also defense counsel. One of them is a copy of the immigration detainer on Mr. Casada. And if you'll look at, I'm emailing it to you and to Jackie. I don't know who usually gets it first. On the documentation, it says that his status is considered removable under immigration law, and then also there's two boxes that are checked that kind of allude to that, thus the immigration hold, and then also a copy of the indictment, Judge,
All right.
with the bond conditions attached. And I don't have any witnesses, Judge.
All right, I'm waiting for your exhibits. I've got them. I'm just waiting for our slow internet to open them.
Gotcha. Okay.
Ms. Anshanda, with the ICE detainer, do you anticipate that Mr. Mercado Quezada will be deported once he's released?
I believe so, Judge. That's the impression that I'm getting from the documentation. But I don't, as the immigration laws change all the time, I don't know. I'm not an expert in that, but that's what I'm expecting. And that's the way it reads to me.
All right, Mr. Seeloff, do you have any further information or any further statements?
Judge, we believe he should be entitled to a PR bond, based off of the Code of Criminal Procedure 17.151. We're saying because he hasn't been able to afford one recently, it's not guaranteed that he's going to be getting a job. And I'm not sure, he's saying he might be able to afford about $1,000 or so, but if we put a GPS requirement on him, which is going to cost a couple $100 a month, if there are any conditions or bond conditions, I would ask that it be a PR bond and that he not be forced to pay for a GPS monitor because he can't afford one right now. That's all, Judge.
All right, I'm trying to pull up 17.151.
And Judge, it's not that he's entitled to a PR bond. Absolutely. It's either a PR bond or reducing the amount of bail that's required. I would note for the record that this is not the pleading that Mr. Seeloff, at least the copy that I was served with, it was just for a regular bail reduction. But either way, Mr. Quezada testified that he could put $1,000 towards the bond. So at the lowest, I would suggest to the court that it be a $10,000 bond, but the conditions remain, because it sounds like he's expecting that he's going to get his job back and can pay for that monitor. And everything else that's included in the bond conditions is the standard for a violent offender.
Hold on, the internet is frozen. I'm going to get the book. Just a minute.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Anshando is correct that it does state personal bond or by reducing the amount of the bond. So,
Judge, I also briefly, also in section 2, it says that this doesn't apply to somebody that's being detained pending the trial of another accusation. He also has the immigration accusation pending against him. So I don't believe that this article applies to him at all. He has other stuff that's pending against him.
well, Mr. Mercado Quezada, I will set your bond in the amount of $10,000.
Señor Quesada, voy a poner su fianza en la cantidad de $10,000.
Okay,
And I'm going to leave the terms and conditions of the bond in place.
Y voy a dejar los términos y condiciones de la fianza en su lugar.
okay.
Is there anything further from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Mercado Quezada. You may be excused.
Gracias,
Thank you.
señor Mercado. Puedes retirarte.
Okay, gracias.
Thank you.